Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Mac account with Google Drive and Gmail. When you're starting, you don't have configured this. So sometimes when you add a new module like Google Drive or Gmail, you need to create a connection. Well, here we need to make this connection, okay? Well, first of all, we're gonna use this guide. Here you have all the documentation, how you make it. Alright, you can read all this, or you can follow what I'm gonna do. Well, let's get started. The first thing is to create a new project in Google Cloud. Okay, here you have all the guide. So when you're here, we're gonna create a new project. And type here a new name. I'm gonna fill out make Drive and Gmail. Okay, great. It's creating our project. Perfect. Now, apps and services. We're gonna select here. Okay, apps and services enable. Now, here we need to to we need to add the apps. Okay, first of all, we're gonna search for Google Drive. You select this option and enable. It takes some seconds. Alright, now it's done. And the another API that we need is Gmail. Enable. Perfect. Now the next step we're gonna do here is to go 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna enable this API. Okay, and the another is the Gmail API. Here we have enable again. Alright, perfect. Now the next thing we're gonna do is to go to Outh consent screen and select external and create. Well, first of all, we're gonna put a name, put in make drive Gmail. User support email. I'm gonna use my email. a logo you don't need, domain you don't need to, and here, here we have the authorized domains. Okay, here we go again to here to the guide, and here we have these two authorized domains. Okay, you will copy this and add here both. Okay, make the com and its last name Integromat, the old name of make.com. Well, and developer contact again. You can put your email. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Now save and continue. Add or remove scopes. Here you're gonna add Gmail. We're gonna select all, update, and drive. Okay, perfect. Now you got everything here. Save and continue. Add users. You can add your email. Okay, click add. Save and continue. Now go to credentials. Here we'll select Outh client ID. Application type, the name. I'm gonna put here make drive Gmail, and here you're gonna copy the URIs. For this, you need to jump into make.com tutorial here, and you're gonna copy this. Okay, you need for Gmail, Google Drive, authorize redirect URIs. Copy this and paste here. Now create. Alright, you got it. Now you have here the client ID and the client secret. Okay, you have those. Copy this client ID, jump into Google, into make.com, and here we have. Okay, now we start again, create a connection, shows advanced settings, and here you have copy here, client ID, and client secret, copy and paste here. Okay, now sign in, choose your account what you're using, check and continue. Perfect. Now this was created. You have here, you're able now to connect your Google Drive in make.com. Okay, you can add some files, you can download, upload some files you can use for different types, and for the same thing with Gmail. Okay, go here, choose your connection, I'm gonna refresh here. And select your account. Alright, the work is done. Look at this. It's the same thing, you can add some modules, you can make the connection. Okay, here you have, now it's ready to connect with other modules into this scenario and automate your processes. Okay, I hope this was helpful and stay tuned for the next video.